President! I asked him several questions. I asked him why the 2,000 coaches that are broken have not been fixed, why there's no permanent board, why there's no permanent CEO. These are the questions that the President has failed to answer. And he says he did answer them inside. But inside there were no people. Inside there were journalists and posing for cameras. We were not there.
If you ever wanted to make me happy, Minister, Chairperson of PRASA, today you have contributed to making me happy. I'm a happy President today with these friends that we are watching. We are going to make sure that our trains run on time, which I have discussed with the Minister, with the Chairperson of the Board, with the management. And that is something that is soon going to be an experience of the past, because we are going to improve rail transportation. We're going to make sure that our trains arrive on time and that they are not crowded, but more importantly that they are safe.